Dan.
Hello.
Welcome to our little talk today. Can you tell us what you enjoyed about today's conference and who was your favorite speaker so far?
I enjoyed Grant a lot. I thought it was extremely interesting and professional. And I really appreciate the fact that so many people came to talk to us and explain a little bit about their art and about their professional abilities and how they can help us. So I find it very enjoyable. Thank you.
Great. Thank you so much for coming.
I found it very inspiring. I really enjoyed being in the, in our at Twiggle, our sales and marketing are very aligned. We work together very closely. So for me, it was really great to get the perspective of the sales and really understand, the power of persuasion and, psychology in sales, the different types of sales. So for me, it gave me a good background in sales and to find the links between marketing and sales and how aligned they are.
Oh, great. Because, as a marketing professional as well, I know this is our biggest problem. How do we work with sales? So can you tell me one big thing you will do tomorrow when you go back into the office?
Yeah, I'm going to sit with the sales, with my sales team and really try to identify, what else we can do to find ways to reach our customers together, make sure we're on the same page, make sure all of our data is set up, and really make sure we have a good strategy in place.
Great. Thank you so much, Dana, and I hope you enjoy the rest of the conference.
Instead of sending emails, a great way to get it open is just send the guy a WhatsApp and say, hey, I literally just did it now, 5 minutes ago. Somebody's not here, and I said, hey, what's up? And he's like, yeah, how you doing? I'm like, this is what I'm doing, and he responded, interested. Let's meet for coffee. So that's for me, that's success, and and one of the guys over here said it, and I think it's amazing. Screw email, totally. Just get with the chatting, WhatsApp, social media.
I totally agree. Because even in LinkedIn, when you send somebody a personal message, you see that they respond higher than if you send them an email.
Emails are what's the word? They're irresponsive. They're cold. Nobody wants emails anymore.
Understanding that sales is all about psychology. It's really about understanding that it's people behind the lens on the other side and that they've got their own decision making, and if you understand how they think, they'll buy.
Yeah, I think meeting all the people, some of them I already know, but meeting new faces in this environment, seeing the opportunities that's out there gives you inspiration and more motivation, and definitely the insights from many of the speakers. Something you always think you kind of like have it, and then you hear there's something new that disrupts that thinking. So that was great.
First of all, there's a lot of in Hebrew you say asimonim, a lot of ideas that have been thrown around. I think a lot of useful information. My favorite talk about this first part is about the narratives, how we use and how we connect to other people.
Here's what I really like today, is actually getting to know salespeople better. Do you know what I mean? I feel like it's a good opportunity sometimes to understand, let's say, the opposite sex. So I got to understand salespeople better. That's why I'm here as a marketer. I'm kind of disappointed, all my marketer friends out there. Yes, if you see this, why weren't you here at the sales conference? What are you doing to understand sales better? So therefore you can be a better marketer. Probably my greatest takeaway was I got in order to not make marketing agency but more of a commodity. That's probably the greatest the greatest takeaway.